What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a brief update on the stock Ater. I am still an AMC YouTuber, don't get scared any AMC watchers, but just doing some reviews on Ater, and today I'm going to be going over my position in Ater, a brief technical analysis, and important all-text data that is looking like it is squeezable. Now, first of all, we've got a group of people on Discord, about 3, just looking into an advanced technical analysis on this. Now, not much information has come out. This trend line has been drawn, where you can see it's from the high of this run-up down here, and it looks like it broke out. Now, when it breaks out of a trend line like this, you do want to see it retrace and get a second bounce. That just leads to, if you haven't seen my first video, you should check that out, where I think there might be a small gap down to exactly this trend line where this gap is between these two wicks, and then it'll bounce up, which is a good sign. I'm definitely going to be buying at this line. Now, that's pretty much all for the technical analysis. I'm going to briefly show you guys my portfolio, and then after that it comes the important news. So here's my portfolio. I hold 1.2k shares, and I do have another $10,000 ready to buy in if it hits like the prices I want to buy in at. So this is just to prove that like I'm not like clickbaiting, like I'm actually in this stock. See, I brought in, I'm actually in for the play. Now since all that unimportant, just brief updates are out of the way, here comes the big news. Now, if we come over here, this all-text data came out, and I went over what this all means in my last video, but new data has come out which I haven't covered. So if you want to know what all this stuff where my mouse is at means, then you have to check out my last video, because this is for the people that have checked it out. Just a brief update. Now, I asked my friend if he could give me the average days on loan for a short position. And if we look on here, on loan average is about a month. It's 30 days, 29 days, the average short position has held their position. Now, this comes to the chart here. March 9th, the market was open yesterday. This is New Zealand, so it might be like a day ahead for you guys. So March 9th, we can see that the price it closed at was 270. And that means the average days shorts positions got in is at 270. We're all the way at 470. That is incredible pressure on short positions to start covering positions. Now, what do we see? Instead of covering, they just keep adding to their position. Like, this is a little downtick, but over the last week, 7 days, they've added to their position, added to their position, added to their position. Now, why do they keep adding to their positions? They're already down quite a lot. If the average short position is at 270, now it's at 470, they are down a lot, and there's a lot of pressure on them, not just from this, but from the breakout of this, and from the days to cover on loan being 2.4. I'm very excited for this week. There is a lot of potential for a squeeze this week, and I just can't wait to see what is going to happen. I'm not saying there is going to be a squeeze this week. I do believe there could be a squeeze this week. Now, if you guys want more updates, I'll usually post my updates first because I live in New Zealand. As soon as the market closes, it's the morning for me. Make sure you subscribe and support the channel. The more strong the community is, the higher the price does go, and I did learn that from AMC, and still learning. Yeah, that's it.